Hey guys, welcome back to AKitchenAdvisor channel. As always, we keep sharing with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we are making salmon roll, easy appetizer recipe. We're using the cured salmon that we made in the previous recipe. You can find the link to this delicious appetizer below this video. You can either use the cured salmon as we did or smoked salmon. Slice the salmon fillet into thin pieces. Slice cucumber into thin pieces as well. Make small cuts on the side of the cucumber. It will become part of a fancy decoration later. You will see it. Spread cream cheese over the cucumber and then place the piece of salmon on the top. Make sure the piece of salmon is about 1 inch shorter than the cucumber. Roll it up and secure with a toothpick. Turn your salmon roll into a flour by popping out the edges. First of all, I would like to say thank you to all our subscribers. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe so you won't miss any of the easy and yummy recipes for busy families. Also check our website for more delicious and healthy recipes. Don't forget to press the like button.